Hey everyone, it's Ed at U Cars. We are back with another Kia for you. And these are becoming quite a popular vehicle with us. Seem to be a popular car. I'm not surprised. They are fantastic value for money. This one's a Kia Ceed. It's the Model 4 or the spec level 4, trim level 4, so it's the top of the range. 1.7 diesel, 6-speed manual, 83,000 miles, 10 services, finished in fire red with the black 17-inch alloys. Looks to bee's knees. Very, very, very clean and straight, as you can see. Your privacy glass to the rear, keyless entry, rear parking sensors with reverse camera. The reg number is there for any checks you may wish to carry out. I think these are £35 a year to tax. I'm not 100% sure on that, so check the advert. The information will be attached, but I'm sure they are cheap tax. It drives perfectly well. Just put new brake pads in it. Have a service, no MOT, etc. Comes with warranty. And yeah, clean as a whistle. Let's show you inside. Let's find the key. Good sized boot. Got your mats and your luggage divider there, as you can see, that the valeters have kind of left there for me. Got a parcel shelf as well. All clean and tidy, with no nasty smells or anything untoward. Split folding rear seats. And I'm sure I've seen a spare wheel under here. Ta-da! Spare wheel with all your kit, which is an unusual thing nowadays. It has got the black leather with the grey inserts. Now that's an optional extra. I think it looks fantastic. It's all good quality. Smells of leather. Does have ISOFIX, rear centre armrest and rear electric windows. Look at that. Lovely. Same in the front. All super clean. No real signs of wear. The fit and finish on these is really good. Folding mirrors. Heated steering wheel. Cruise control. Speed limiter. As I say, they are loaded with spec. I'm going to start the car for you so you can see there are no warning lights or anything untoward. So there you go, system check. Align steering wheel just because I've got the wheel turned. But as you see there, all the lights illuminate and go out as they should. It's got adaptive steering, so we're currently on comfort, which means you can literally turn the steering wheel with one finger if you wish. You've got normal mode as well, and then sport mode, which differs it up quite a bit if you're feeling sporty. Bluetooth as well. Heated seats. Heated steering wheel, as I mentioned. Heated seats there. DAB radio, full media system. It has got navigation, but we're just waiting for a map update to come in the post. We haven't got the map SD card at the moment, but I'm sure it'll all work perfectly when that arrives. Good, clear, quality reverse camera. We also got, right. You can connect your phone, etc., all down here with USB auxiliary, and I'm sure Bluetooth audio. I was trying to show you there, but I am a technophobe. 6-speed manual. All your switch gear in the centre is beautiful. It's all excellent condition with your cup holders and your armrest. We've got your handbooks in the glove box, your auto dipping mirror, and that's about it. Get involved. Give us a call, 01509 267 111. Finance is available. Delivery is available. Full dealer facilities. Thanks for watching.